Morning, guys. My name is Tumela Makitikipe, and I'm test driving the latest BMW 218i Grand Coupe. Um, the real reason for this video isn't anything technical, isn't anything. Um, what can I say? It's not rocket science. We see a lot of BMW drivers out there. We know them. We see them every day on the highways. For some reason, they don't see the need to use the indicator. They behave like idiots. Some of them drive recklessly, and personally, I think it's uncalled for. And we can do it with none of that arrogance. So you'll be surprised, or maybe not, but even this BMW does have an indicator or indicators. So cut a long story short, to those idiots out there, I'm going to demonstrate how the indicator works, and hopefully you can follow. On the 218i Grand Coupe, it's located on the left hand side, and then so as you take off, there's an indicator. It's flicking to the left, so twa 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 to the left, and then there we go. It works. It takes you nothing less than half a second to put it on. So guys, use the bloody thing. I know you're trying to be a little Michael Schumacher out there, but do consider everyone out there who's trying to get home, who's trying to drive from point A to point B and go see his family. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Moral of the story: owning a BMW does not need to make you like an idiot. It's as simple as that.